Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to add and set up a social bar within the Wix Harmony Editor. Let's get started. Go to the Add button on the upper left. Go to Button, scroll down to the bottom and look for the social bar options. Click on See All to view more options to choose from. Once you select one that you like, simply click on it and then drag and drop it to wherever you want it to be placed. To adjust its spacing and icon size, click on it and go to the All Design Options icon on the action bar above. And on this small window, you'll have the options to adjust the size of your icons, adjust the spacing, so adjust the vertical spacing and horizontal spacing, and even change your layout if you want to. Once you're done customizing that, it's time to make it functional. Go to Manage Items on the action bar above. And from here, you should see the list of the social media platforms included in your social bar, as well as their corresponding links or URL. So if you want to change the URL here to that of your profile from that social media platform, click on More Actions and click on Edit. Click this link over here, and on this new window, select Web Address and input your URL or your profile's link right over here. Also set how you'd like it to open, whether you'd like it to be opened in the current tab or in a new tab. I suggest new tab would be more convenient for your site visitors. Once you're done, you can just simply click on Done and move on to working with the other social media platforms here until you finish all of them. Now, if in case you'd like to remove a social media platform from your social bar, just simply click the three dot button next to it and click on Delete, and it'll automatically be removed. And if you'd ever like to add a new one, just click on Add Social, choose an icon or upload an icon if you want to, link it properly, and also don't forget to set its accessibility for those who use assistive technology. So make sure that you finish working or you finish inputting all of your social media info to their corresponding social media icons. Once you're done, you can just close the window, and once you're done, your changes will automatically be saved. And that's it. Hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.